Well, this is the new switch I've bought. It's for the bike, and I've checked all the wiring from the harness I've got, and everything connects okay as per the diagram, with the exception of this number 11, which shows a brown and green going up to the speedometer. Well, there was one brown and green in the harness, but that's been going somewhere else, and I had to find a piece of cable, which is this one here, which was brown and green, which I had from another bike, and I've just wired that in at the moment and threaded it alongside the harness, and hopefully when everything tests out, when the power's on, that should be the supply to the speedo light. Apart from that, everything went fine. And like you do, you have to make a note of where everything went. Well, this is the main ignition switch, and I've had a problem with this. I was on the bike when I tried to tighten the back nuts up. I found that the threads were not cut very well, and it sort of pushed through. So to prevent that from happening when it's on the bike, which it's bound to do, I've turned a little piece of dowel in there, put a little chamfer and a hole for the stud there. I'll put that in position, and once I've bolted it to the back plate, there's no possibility of the ignition switch being pushed through when I come to turn the lights on and put the ignition key in. Just a quick modification, but it will prevent that shaft from popping into there, which would be a bug of a job to get it back out again without stripping the whole thing down again. Just to show progress report, got the headlight mounted now, speedos fitted, new glass and chrome bezel, gear clutch and brake lever's done. Little horn and dip switch there. That's been done. Got the tool case on. A new Zeus fastener, which was a bit tricky. This is the side stand I've got. It's from a Suzuki, not sure which model, and it looks like it's sticking out quite a bit. So if I'll see what it's like when everything's finished, and if need be I can heat it up here and bend it in a bit. That shouldn't be a problem. Backlight's on and wired up. I've got the main ignition switch fitted now. This is working. That's done. Part of the main harness, it's all done, wired up. Got the throttle on, front brake lever, probably do the front brake cable now. And then once I get that done, it's time to work on the engine and gearbox. Most of the cycle parts are 100% now. There we go. Thanks for watching.